Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here in Miami. It's swim week and I'm getting ready to go to my very first fashion show. So subscribe to my channel and keep watching. fashion show. It was at Club Elleven with a fashion company called WBFF, and it was the best fashion show in Miami. I think they had the best designs, and at the end of the fashion show, they announced that the designers were Michael Jackson Stylist and Beyonce Stylist. I think they did a collaboration and launched a clothing line, and they did their very first fashion show at Club Elleven, and it was also Club Elleven's first fashion show. And they had the best fashion show in Miami and the best designs. I think this fashion show had the best designs out of all the Miami Swim Week fashion shows. Club Elleven is one of the most popular nightclubs in Miami. It's also a strip club, and it was the best fashion show in Miami for Swim Week. And I think they had the best designs compared to other designers. I didn't go to other Fashion Week events because it rained the whole Fashion Week, and this one was indoors. So based on content that I saw on the internet, I think they had the best designs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.